everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Materia Medica Spotlight. I'm Prince, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you the important symptoms of Nux Vomica. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Nux Vomica, commonly known as poison nut, was proved by Dr. Hahnemann, and it belongs to the Loganiaceae family. Nux Vomica is suited to thin, spare subjects with dark hair and a dark complexion. Temperament: sanguine, bilious, irritable. Nux Vomica is chilly remedy. Miasm: Psora. Now we will see the guiding symptoms of Nux Vomica. Irresistible desire to sleep in the evening. Sedentary life living person. Desire for stimulants, alcohol, bitter things. Defective liver functioning, easily become angry at very silly matters. Trifling ailments are unbearable, very harmless words offends. Want to be alone. Falling asleep while eating or reading. Lumbago at 3 o'clock to 4 a.m. Patient feels he would be so much better if he vomit. Frequent and ineffectual desire for stool and urine, temporary relief after stool. Great tenesmus during stool, which is temporarily relieved after stool. Lack of physical work, exercise. Irregular habits. Weak digestion. Irritability. Constipation due to irregular peristalsis. Fetid and sour taste in the mouth in the morning. Toothache worsened by cold, improved by warmth. Aversion to coffee, bread, ordinary food and drink. Tongue, front half clean, back coated white. Ideal initial remedy acts as an antidote to previous treatment's adverse effects. Ailments from coffee, tobacco, high living, irregular diet, sexual excess, lack of sleep, overeating. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means a lot to us.